So guys, any website, how we can activate for the Bing Webmaster tool in the particular website. First of all, we note the URL is compulsory mandatory. Bing.com/webmasters. The login will be live.com, Gmail, anything will be possible. So my account will be logged in here. Just I'm opening for the new account. Bing.com/webmasters. Here the login will be multiple option will be there. Previous only for Microsoft account will be there. Now Microsoft, Google and Facebook option. Now previous is only for classic version is there. Now is building for new version will be here. So you can check for backlinks on your website, site scan, so keyword research, everything will be there. This is the old version. But website activation purpose, we have to go to the classic portal compulsory mandatory field. So we are going to where? Classic portal option. So just is going to the back for the classic portal. So this is a classic portal. Here adding for site purpose in this. Here the add the site. Before adding the website on the Bing Webmaster, the website compulsory have the sitemap file will be mandatory field. We have to check the sitemap file. After .com, sitemap.xml is a file will be added here. Copy this URL. Here first of all, add this URL without sitemap.xml. Add it. Add your sitemap.xml particular option. And here they give one instruction will be there. When do you receive the most traffic to the site for your location time of the day? What are the timings? Particular times are there, but I'm give the default. Click for add. We don't select any specific time. When click for add option is going to activation for the particular key. You have to take some time. Here, activation will be total 3 steps. First of all, we can upload for the this XML file on particular cPanel. This code we are adding for all pages for the header part, or you can verify this option will be here. Third one, DNS provide, where you can purchase the domain. The DNS will be provided here. Activate for this option. We activation will be 3 process. The best one we can setting will be here. First you can check. Any file is there? No files. Why? I'm not updated in this one. Download it. After download this option, we have to log in for cPanel option. Login cPanel is done. Just file manager. Here, what are the file you're uploading for? The option name is called public_HTML. Select it, upload the file, select the file. Where is our document will be here? Go to the particular download here, just in this. Done. After that, previous nothing code is there. Now you can refresh. Code is updated. After update this code, click for verify. Guys, one more very important notice. Here verify will be 3 buttons are there. Which code you are updated, there you can click for verify option. Now click for verify it. So here your Bing Webmaster verify with XML sitemap. XML sitemap mandatory field to crawl the URL and Bing search engine purpose. So this will be done by your particular option. So this is called activated for the particular website on the Bing Webmaster for Bing search engine index purpose.